A content management system, or CMS for short, is an online software application that enables users to build and manage a website without having to code it from scratch. Working within a content management system streamlines website development and can drastically shorten your project timeline. From major updates to minor changes, project edits are faster and easier within CMS due to its inherent flexibility. Traditional use of developers is reduced, as content authors are now able to build websites without coding knowledge. Multiple users can easily work within a content management system at the same time, thus boosting productivity and collaboration. CMS makes it easier to maintain company branding while supporting key marketing initiatives and improving the user experience of your online presence. For more information, visit us at inthink.com and let's build something amazing together.